Cardano costs certainly equivalent to $0.2691 a coin. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.2592 to 0.2756, or so they generally thought. The earlier day close, 0.2752, which basically is genuinely huge. The change in every practical sense was 0.0061, 2.22%, or so they really thought. Converse rate, USD to ADA in a sort of huge manner. Cardano value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $0.26, genuinely most extreme 0.28, truly least 0.24 in a sort of large manner. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.24, genuinely most extreme 0.26, certainly least 0.22 in an especially significant way. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.24, most extreme 0.26, sort of least 0.22 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.22, really greatest 0.24, in every practical sense, least 0.20, which sort of is very huge. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost $0.22, extremely greatest 0.24, least 0.20 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost $0.21, kind of greatest 0.22, kind of least 0.20, which especially shows that the earlier day close, 0.2752, which truly is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.21, beautiful most extreme 0.22, in every practical sense, least 0.20, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.21, especially most extreme 0.22, in every way that really matters, least 0.20, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.22, especially greatest 0.24, lovely least 0.20, which basically shows that Cardano value forecast for. In the not-so-distant future and month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $0.26, by and large most extreme 0.28, kind of least 0.24, which sort of is genuinely huge. Cardano conjecture on Friday, June 23, cost $0.21, really greatest 0.22, in every practical sense, least 0.20, or so they generally thought. In about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost $0.21, kind of most extreme 0.22, especially least 0.20, which certainly is genuinely huge. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.21, kind of greatest 0.22, really least 0.20 in an especially enormous way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.21, all things considered, greatest 0.22, genuinely least 0.20 in a huge way. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.22, exceptionally greatest 0.24, in every practical sense, least 0.20, truly further appearance how in about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $0.21, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.22, by and large least 0.20 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $0.22, for the most part greatest 0.24, extremely least 0.20 in a sort of significant manner. In 3 weeks Cardano estimate on Monday, July 3, cost $0.22, truly greatest 0.24, especially least 0.20 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.22, kind of greatest 0.24, all things considered, least 0.20 in a sort of huge way. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, July 5, cost $0.22, sort of greatest 0.24, genuinely least 0.20 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost $0.22, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.24, really least 0.20, exhibiting that Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.22, genuinely greatest 0.24, especially least 0.20 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano gauge on Friday, July 7, cost $0.22, truly most extreme 0.24, especially least 0.20, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about a month, Cardano cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost $0.22, extremely greatest 0.24, genuinely least 0.20 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost $0.22, sort of most extreme 0.24, especially least 0.20, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to ADA conversion scale fundamentally equivalent to 3.7161 coins per $1, or so they truly thought. Today, S-reach, 3.6284-3.8580 incredibly. The past day, S-nearby, 3.6337 incredibly. Change for now plus 0.0824, plus 2.27%, which is genuinely critical. USD to ADA cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which for the most part shows that today, S-reach, 3.6284-3.8580. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Monday, June 12, cost 3.846 coins, sort of most extreme 4.167, fundamentally least 3.571, which certainly is genuinely critical. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 4.167 coins. In every practical sense, greatest 4.545, sort of least 3.846, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost 4.167 coins, kind of most extreme 4.545, in every way that really matters, least 3.846. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost 4.545 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 5.000, least 4.167 in a huge way. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Friday, June 16, cost 4.545 coins, truly greatest 5.000, truly least 4.167, which really is genuinely critical. In multi-week USD to ADA expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 4.762 coins, really greatest 5.000, essentially least 4.545, which generally is very critical. Dollar to Cardano figure on Tuesday, June 20, cost 4.762 coins, beautiful most extreme 5.000, lovely least 4.545. USD to ADA expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost 4.762 coins, greatest 5.000, essentially least 4.545. So in 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, July 3, cost $0.22, greatest 0.24, in every way that really matters, least 0.20, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Dollar to Cardano figure on Thursday, June 22, cost 4.545 coins, especially most extreme 5.000, truly least 4.167 in an essentially enormous way. USD to ADA forecast on Friday, June 23, cost 4.